Hello guys, welcome to our channel Digital Shiksha with Renu. Don't forget to subscribe our channel to get all the latest updates. So today we are going to see class 12 Maharashtra board, the most important question which comes in your board exam for 4 marks, that is appreciation of the poem. In this video we will see appreciation of the fourth poem, Have You Earned Your Tomorrow. This poem is written by Edgar Guest. Poem and some points will be provided to you. Points will be like about the poem, poet and the title, the theme, poetic style, the language, poetic devices used in the poem, special features, message, values, moral in the poem, and your opinion about the poem. We should cover these all the points while writing the appreciation, and this appreciation should be in paragraph format. So let's start with the appreciation. The poem Have You Earned Your Tomorrow is written by Edgar Guest. Edgar Guest is also known as People's Poet for his simple style and optimistic tone of writing. He is an American writer of newspaper and magazines. The theme of the poem is that whatever good deeds we do today will definitely earn us our tomorrow. The poet forces the readers to reflect upon their negative actions. The poet makes the readers to sensitively think, ponder about their daily activities. The rhyme scheme of the poem is AABB, which is also known as perfect rhyme scheme. The poetic device used in line 3, this day is almost over and its toiling time is though, is alliteration because the sound of the letter T is repeated for better poetic effect. Other poetic device used in the poem is interrogation. Visual imagery is a special feature of this poem. The poet has made use of rhetorical questions to inspire and convey his ideas. The message of the poem is that in order to earn a bright future, we need to make good and kind action and make each and every day of our life meaningful. I like the poem as it teaches the qualities of being compassionate and kind. The poem is an inspirational poem. I hope that कि आप लोगों को यह वीडियो पसंद आई होगी. We have also covered all other poem appreciation also. Links are provided in the description box. You all can check it out from there. Thank you.